welcome back again to Egret Studio, and now I'm going to make my video reaction to Dimash again. And Dimash, it's very talented singer. And now, what I'm going to give for him is the song entitled Sinful Passion. So I do hope, guys, that you're going to join me, watch until the end. And thank you. So let's start.
Ты явилась нежданно, как из лунного сна. О, если б знала ты, что мне нужна, только ты одна.
Wow, I can say it's he still sing very good. Still everything is going fine, and I just love everything about it, and it's really amazing to hear. And thumbs up for him. Let's continue.
Линии долгие линии, были ночи без сна, но в стуже сердце озарило, как весна.
Oh my, that's so sweet. The voice is very, ooh, I love this. It's like, wow, it's clear, and you can hear every word. Although I don't understand, but I can feel the song it's really nice. Just reading for the translation, it's very amazing, and the sound is just wow. Ayan, let's continue.
Только ты одна. Долгим огнем пылать в огне ненастье.
Wow, it's very cool, and I really like, and it's like I just like the way his voice goes like that. That's my favorite part, and it's totally amazing. Everything is just wow, and it's really good to hear. I really love it. It's like just close your eyes and listen carefully and just understand the translation, and that's it. And the song is really good. Let's keep listening to the voice.
Ночью и днем сгорать в костре грешной страсти. Ночь замкнула ресницы.
That's the part that he changes his voice, and it's very amazing. It's like, oh, this is it, and wow, it's how is it, how it's like Paano? Di ba, hindi mo alam kung how? You really don't know how did he do that. It's like, it's his unique talent. Although it's, yeah, it's a part of training when he's studying. And now, congrats for him. He got that and I really love it. The way he did is always perfect.
И вокруг тишина, забыты звуки, руки, лица. Мне нужна только ты одна.
Wow. It's only a wow. I can't say anything. It's just a question mark. It's how is that? How is that? It's very unique and wow, I love it. Just keep going.
Выпью зелье до дна, и ты вернешь меня из бездны в этот мир. Только ты одна.
Ooh. It's like he's trying to change now his voice from another voice which is still his on his original voice, but this is really amazing and everything is just wow. And I don't say anything, although I keep saying I'm not a singer, I'm just a reactor. But yeah, I love it and it's just perfect. Let's keep listening. Wow, this is the start. This is the start of going up higher voice, and wow, I'm really excited about this. It's wow, this is it. This is what we are waiting. um yes, let's go. This is the part.
Ночью идем сгорать в костре грешной страсти.
Wow, I love it. This is the part which I also like. This is the uniqueness of Dimash, which is really amazing. The voice is really good. The changing of the voice, that's the part I really love it, and it's pretty cool. It's like wow, a lot of singer can do that, right? But for him, it's perfect. Love it. Let's just keep listening. Hi. Hey. you say? I was surprised. Oh my, this is like. This is the best for me, and I just really like all his performance, and everything is just good. And yes, he must be known also as the world best performer because he deserved it, and everything is just a wow. I really like it, and always number one. It's woo. I love this. Your performance is always number one. But of course, for me, it's still Angelina Jordan. I love Angelina Jordan. So guys, thank you so much for all your support, for keep watching all my videos and everything. Guys, please don't forget again to subscribe to my members. Please support them. Watch their videos. Manong Baro, Sir Blackstone Motovlog, Godspeed Prosperous Journey, and Lifego, Mamang Promdi. Guys, I'm going to put their links on my description, and please don't forget to check out that, and please subscribe to their channel because all their channel is all about very interesting videos. So guys, please go and support them, and they are my legit supporters. And thank you everyone.